Welcome to Code with Kurt. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a project I've been working on. I'm just doing simple math problems, adding and subtracting, and I kind of built this for my kids so they can get the practice they need to do adding and subtracting. And I did this in Google Sheets to try to make it simple and free. So I'm going to demonstrate it. So 1 minus 0 is 1. It's a simple one. Over here on the right, it'll say correct. If you answer correct, it'll say try again if you miss it. So I'll answer this one. It gives me a new math problem. I'll answer this one. It says correct. Now I'm going to intentionally miss this one. So I'm just going to put 2. It's going to mark my answer in red. It's going to tell me try again. So I'm going to try it again. So I'm going to hit 8, hit enter, and correct. It gives me a new problem. So this is just a simple way to generate a math problem. There's ways in here you can make these numbers bigger, but in this case I just did 0 through 10 for the numbers that are given here. So I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedure how I built it. I'm going to copy and paste the script behind the screens below the video so you can just copy and paste it. And from there it should be ready to go. So let's get started. Okay, we're going to start with a fresh Google Sheet. We're going to give it a name. I call it Math Problems, and the sheet name, try to get it exactly as I got it with math. That way the script in the background will pick it up as the way I have it. So then really the only thing you have to do here is kind of give it a little more space, stretch these out a little bit like that. And then next we'll add the script to this, which again I'm going to have it posted below the video in the description. So we have this. We're going to name this real quick. I'm going to name it the same thing I got the sheet. So now I'm going to do the copy and paste. Now I have it copied. I'm just going to paste it. And there I have it pasted. Now I'm just going to review it. I'm going to save it first. And I'm going to go ahead and review it. This first function is how I generate the random numbers, and I call it in this getNumbers function. So I'm going to start with the getNumbers function. I'm getting my sheet name. I'm clearing the data, which is all the way over here. Probably don't need to clear that much data, but that's the way I have it. Generating 10 numbers. So I got 11 here. I wanted to do 0 through 10, so that is actually 11 digits. So I'm stating I want 11 digits for value 1 and 11 digits for value 2. The sign, I'm going to generate, I want 2 numbers that represent 2 signs. So 0 represents the plus sign, and the subtraction sign equals the 1. Next I'm going to display the problem with 1 and 2, 2 and 2, and 2 and 1 is my sign, the 2 values in the sign. So here, here, and here. Next I'm going to set my border, which is just, I'm putting a border down here to make it look like a math problem. And lastly, I'm setting the font and the bold and center for my answer. So when you put the answer number, it's big and it can be seen. And also making that active. Next we're going to move to the function that says onEdit. So what I'm basically doing is looking for a change in value on the answer. So once I see that, I'm looking specifically for the column 2 and row 3, and it has to have a value, and it's the spreadsheet math. Then I'm going through, I'm getting the 2 values, I'm getting the sign. I'm breaking down. If the sign is plus, then we're going to add them. If it's a minus, we're going to subtract them. If the answer equals the input value, then we're going to put this toast is what they call it, that thing that pops up on the right that says if it's correct or not. We're going to do that for 3 seconds and say correct. And then after that, we're going to get a new problem. If it's wrong, then we're going to do our toast, the pop-up thing that says try again. We're going to mark the answer in red, and then we're going to highlight the square here so that it can be answered again. And then this last function down here is when I open up the screen or our Google Sheets, it'll automatically kick out getNumbers, which is going to give us a math problem. So then the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to run this function getNumbers to get our first problem started here. So I'm going to select that here, getNumbers, and I'm going to run it. I'm going to hit this. It's going to, I believe it's going to set us through the security check to get. We got to make sure we give it permission that it can run it. So we're going to review permissions. We're going to select our account. We're going to go advanced. We're going to slide to the bottom. It says go to math problems unsafe, which is we're just going through here. And then we're going to allow it to edit, create, and delete the spreadsheet of Google Sheets for our account. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom and hit allow. And that should do it. Now it's running it. Now we can go over to our spreadsheet and we see a problem here. And now I can answer it and it should give us our result, which is correct. And it gives us another math problem. And it continues on. And we could check if we got something wrong. On the wrong, it says try again, highlights in red. So that concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave it below the video. Again, I'm going to copy and paste this so you can just copy it, create it, and it'll just start running. Just follow the directions that I give here. Until next time.